Great place to experience the Mekong Delta. We only spent one night but enjoyed our stay very much. The staff were very helpful and accommodating with our requests. They also serve breakfast and dinner. Lunch can be served for additional price. They also arrange a floating market tour. Highly recommended. Exceptional nice serene place with an excellent host. The best place to explore Mekong Delta. We spent 3 fantastic days in Green Village. The room, the meals, the boat trip and the bicycle tour was all perfect. The village is one of our favorite place. Everybody was so kind and the vibe was also really happy and positive. Smiling face with hearts. Outstanding choice. Lovely boutique hotel close enough to Can Tho but far enough away to offer a wonderful experience in the Vietnamese countryside. The facilities are marvelous, clean, well maintained and altogether adequate. The real highlight are the staff who are uniformly gracious, friendly, professional and extraordinarily solicitous and helpful. Dee and Ling were wonderful guides on a bike tour of the surrounding area and the floating market, respectively. The food is great as well. Great stay with fabulous hosts. We had a wonderful stay, especially thanks to the kindness of the owner and the staff. Our boys really enjoyed the canoes on the pond in front of the bungalows. The spiced beef was simply amazing, served with rice or in the soup. Take bikes and visit the small market nearby, while enjoying the ride along the small canals. Forever love this place. Smile. This place is just simply perfect in the heart of nature. We felt like home or better. They understand and speak English well. The food is tasteful and we always got the info what is that exactly and how to eat. The staff is very friendly and helpful and the excursions are in a fair price. You can take canoe and bicycle for free to explore the surroundings. We really love this place and extend our stay with one day. Camille is the heart of this place. Smile absolutely recommended. Amazing. Everything was perfect. The location and the resort are just beautiful. You can take the bikes and cycle around the delta, enjoy sunset from the balcony with great view on the resort. Each room is very large, with its own terrace with hammocks. The food served is very good and they have a good choice of tours to choose from. Above all, the staff was simply the best we've met in Vietnam. They were so nice to everyone, very funny, helpful while not intrusive. We were delighted and we wished we had stayed longer there. Great view. Place to relax. Very relaxing trip. Host was extremely good. But it was hot during daytime. Water supply is not strong enough. Overall good stay. Can I had some more stars for the staff? We wished we had stayed longer here. The staff is on a whole different league. For instance, I had left my phone on the bus from Saigon and they did not rest until I had it back. By the way, I did not have to do a thing. They also helped organizing the tours, very good, and the ongoing travels. The facilities are very comfortable, clean and spacious. You can definitely see that the bungalows were built with love. Don't expect to be close to Can Tho Center. But who really wants that anyway? Relaxing stay. Property is good. But there are a lot of insects. So bring mosquito repellent with you. If you're a vegetarian person then you might face some difficulty in selecting the menu, else everything is good. Suggestions: mosquito net can be installed on bathroom and other windows. A true local gem. For a peaceful stay out of Can Tho City, the best location to visit the floating market. Believe it or not, but you board on a small private directly in front at the door, far away of the tourist crowd. The channel you will navigate to join the main Hao River is probably the most beautiful I ever been in Mekong. Everything is organized for you and the guides Ms. Feng, Tony and even the local pilot are super smiley and friendly. If the rooms could still have a lot to improve, in this little family eco-resort managed, everything is charming and warmful. So don't be too regarding if all is not perfect. Ms. T and her family are wonderful hosts who make you feeling as family members if you are also open-minded and ready to enjoy their company. Oh,